Good morning, students. Now discuss with ionization energy. Taken two elements. First one beryllium, second one boron. Beryllium atomic number 4, boron atomic number 5. 1s2 electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Here 1s2 2s2 2p1. That beryllium is completely filled in s orbital. Boron partially filled in p orbitals. Ionization energy of beryllium 899 kilojoule more inverse. Boron 800 kilojoule more inverse. So beryllium has the high ionization energy than the boron. Next, another two element, nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and oxygen. So atomic number 7, here 8. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So here partially filled orbitals, that means off filled orbital. Off filled orbital. Here one not off filled, not completely filled orbital. So ionization energy of nitrogens 1402 kilojoule more inverse. In oxygen 1314 kilojoule more inverse. So removal of electron from nitrogen, high energy will be required. High energy will be required because of filled p orbital, but oxygens not high energy, low energy only required. Because inter between the off filled and completely filled orbital. So which one is the highest ionization energy? Means nitrogen only highest ionization energy. Next, periodic variation in the groups. As we move down the group, ionization energy will be degrees. Energy will be decreases. Why decreases? Means the valence electron enter to the new cell. So nucleus and valence electron distance will be high. Nucleus and valence electron distance will be increases. So ionization energy will be decreases. Next, shielding effect. Shielding effect means this is for nucleus, that 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s. So as we move down the group, inner cell will be distance will be increases. So shielding effect also increases. So ionization energy will be decreases. Ionization energy will be decreases. Another reasons, poor shielding effect, that nucleus here far to the valence electron. So shielding effect will be increases. So ionization energy will be decreases because inner shell orbital will be present. As we move down the group, ionization energy will be decreases. You see the diagram 3.2 graph. You see that graph ionization energy graph 3.2. Here ionization energy diagram 3.3. You see the book also. Next, electron affinity. Amount of energy released when an electron is added to the valence shell of isolated neutral gas atom. It is ground state to it form anion. Units in kilojoule mole inverse. Come to the reactions. That atom accepted one electrons. That means added electron, accepted one electron. So atom getting which charge means negative charge, that is anion. That amount of energy released, amount of energy released. The energy is called electron affinity. Next topic, variation of electron affinity in a period. The variation of electron affinity not a systematic, not a systematic, not a systematic, because as we move from alkyl metals to alkyl metals means in group number 1 to halogens 17 also, the amount of electron affinity will be increases. Some of the time completely filled orbital electron affinity will be 0. For example, take an atom beryllium and nitrogens. Why systematically? That explain them. Two atom will be compared. Beryllium atomic number 4, nitrogen atomic number 7. So beryllium electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. In nitrogens 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In beryllium completely filled s orbital. So no more addition of extra electrons, no more addition of extra electron. Here p orbital in nitrogen, p orbital off filled, p orbital off filled. So here also no addition of extra electron. So beryllium and nitrogen both are almost electron affinity 0. Next, another example, noble gases and halogens. Noble gases group number 18, halogens group number 17. The general electronic configuration of noble gases Ns2 Np6. In halogen Ns2 Np5. That Ns2 and Np6 for noble gases completely filled orbitals. Completely filled orbitals. So no more addition of extra electron. No more addition of extra electrons. In halogens, one electron is less than. So readily is addition of extra electrons. So releasing amount of highest energy, addition of electrons. So releasing amount of high energy. So electron affinity of halogens in high electron affinity. Next, variation of electron affinity in a group. Generally, as we move down the group, generally electron affinity decreases. electron affinity decreases. Why means because increasing atomic size increases atomic size and shielding effect of inner cell electrons. Inner cell electron also increases. So electron affinity decrease in the group. For example, come to the example, oxygen, fluorine. Oxygen atomic number 8, fluorine atomic number 9. Here sulfur 16, fluorine 17. Write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 3s2, 3p. You count the above numbers means power of numbers means come to the atomic number. 2 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. So here write 3p 4. So 16. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p 6, 3s2, 3p 5. So compare means oxygen, fluorine compared to sulfur and chlorine. Which one is the higher means that sulfur chlorine will be higher because small size of orbitals will be present. Small size of orbital will be present. Small size means 2p orbitals only present. Here 3p orbital available. So readily accept to extra electron releasing amount of energy will be compared to sulfur and chlorine increases electron affinity. Next topic, electronegativity. The relative tendency of element present in a covalent bonded molecule to attract a shared pair of electron towards itself is called electronegativity. That short answer said 2 mark, 3 mark said important. Electronegativity is not a measurable quantity. Measurable quantity. But one method will be how to calculate it. Who only explain means Pauling only explain. Pauling only explain. The Pauling only explain means hydrogen and fluorine. Hydrogens and fluorine molecule will be taken. Hydrogen electronegativity of 2.1, in fluorine 4.0 respectively, and given one formula also calculated. XA molecule minus XB molecule equal to 0.182 root of energy of AB molecule minus energy of AA molecule into energy of BB molecule in power of half. That will be measured for electronegativity scale. Which scale? Pauling scale. Electronegativity value is not a constant. Is not a constant. Depend upon the nature of covalent bond. Depend upon the nature of covalent bond only. Fixed for the values. Electronegativity values is not constant because due to the covalent bond will be present. Next, variation of electronegativity in a fluid. So left to right, electronegativity will be increases. Y means atomic radius will be decreases. Atomic radius will be decreases. So atom electronegativity will be increases. Second reason, attraction between nucleus and valence electron will be increases. So electronegativity will be increases. Next, variation of electronegativity in a period. That as we move down the group, electronegativity will be decreases. What reasons means atomic radius will be increases. Second reason, nucleus and outermost cell of valence electron. Outermost cell of valence electron will be decreases. First reason, atomic radius increases, so electronegativity decreases. Second reason, nucleus and valence outermost electron will be decreases, so electronegativity will be decreases. Next example, noble gases. Noble gases electronic configuration ns2 np6. So completely filled orbitals. So electronegativity of noble gases assigned 0. That another s-block elements also. So s-block elements also electronegativity will be decreases, and except 13th group and 14th group, all other b block elements electronegativity will be decreases. See the graph 3.7. Alkyl metal decreasing orders. Alkyl metal means s block elements. Next topic, diagonal relationship. Before start the diagonal relationship, that valence and oxidation state. So it will be valence also difference, oxidation state also a difference. For example, the table number 3.16 and table number 3.17 will be given a variation of valency and variation of group. Now started diagonal relationship. The diagonal relationship means similarity between across the periodic table and moving second period and third period. Second period having element lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, taken 4 element. Third period taken sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon. So similar properties across the periods. The lithium come similar properties in magnesium, beryllium similar properties in aluminum, boron similar properties in silicon. So similar properties existing between diagonal placed elements called diagonal relationship. 2 marks side ask questions. Chemical reactivity. Physical and chemical properties depends on valence cell of outermost cell electronic configurations. Electronic configuration. In periodic table, in periodic table, that left side have ionization energy will be decreases. In right side, ionization energy increases. So middle, compared to middle, ionization energy so high. Ionization energy so high. In noble gases of electronic configuration, that no more accept or loss. So chemically inert. Noble gas, chemically inert nature. So called noble gas is called inert gases or rare gases. So the left side ionization energy means decreases, right side ionization energy means increases, middle of the so high. So come to the reactions. Based on the chemical reactivity depend on the valence outermost shell of electronic configurations. You have to clearly understand. Reaction started. Alkyl metals and halogens react with oxygens. So clearly you understand. First, alkyl metals. Example taken, sodium plus oxygens. So oxygen is the divalent. So 2 times means 4. So 4 sodium will be required. So what happened? Na2O 2 times. Second reaction, 7 oxygens. So chlorine Cl2 2 times taken. What happened? Cl2O7. So front of you write 2 times. Sodium oxide and hydrolysis means sodium hydroxide of times. Cl2O7 hydrolysis means perchloric acid will be obtained. See the reaction. Sodium oxide Na2O hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means 2 sodium, H2O is the HOH. Added oxygen means here also 2 OH group. So write NaOH 2 times. Second one, Cl2O7 hydrolysis. So what happened means HClO. 3 element only present, hydrogen, Cl, oxygens. So first lower number element will be balanced. That how many? Chlorine and hydrogen will be 2. So front of you write 2. Total number of oxygen here 7, here 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. So write here 4. 4 2s are 8. Sodium hydroxide is a basic oxide. In perchloric acid will be an acetic oxide. As we move down the group, the ionization energy will be decreases. So electropositive character of the positive character will be increases. The first group of elements so becomes elements having more basic. Because reason, as we move down the group, ionization energy decreases, electropositive character of elements increases. So elements having more basics. Example, first group, example, beryllium hydroxide, amphoteric. Second one, magnesium hydroxide, weak basic. And another one, barium hydroxide, strong basics, strongly basics. Because second group hydroxides will be more basics.